Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we shall discuss about classification of mapping. So there are three types of mapping: injective map or injection or one-one map, surjective map or surjection or onto map, bijective map or bijection or one-one correspondence. So let us talk about injective map. A mapping F maps from A into B is called injective if for any x1 x2 in A, x1 not equal to x2 implies f of x1 not equal to f of x2, or we can say that A mapping F maps from A into B is called injective if for any x1 x2 belongs to A, f of x1 equal to f of x2, this implies x1 equal to x2. Now see this figure. So this is our domain A, this is B. Now we consider 3 points in A, x1, x2, x3, and 3 points in B, y1, y2, y3. Suppose y1 has two pre-images x1 and x2 and under F, and x3 maps to y3 under F. So here x1 has the image of x1 is y1, so we can write y1 equal to f of x1. Again the image of x2 is y1, so we can write y1 equal to f of x2. So we see that here fx1 equal to f of x2, but x1 and x2 are two distinct points in A. So this figure violates the definition of injective map. So this is not 1-1. See, so in case of injective map, the member of B must have unique pre-image. It is not necessary to have each and every member of B a pre-image, but if any member of B has pre-image, then it should be at most one. Now we come to surjective map. So A mapping F maps from A into B is called surjective if for every y in B it has a pre-image x in A, that is y equal to fx for all y in B, and x is a member of A. So here the figure is like this. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is x1, x2, x3, x4, this is y1, y2, y3, y4, or I omit this y4. Now suppose x1 and x2 are two pre-images of y1 under F, x3 goes to y2, x4 goes to y3. Okay, so see, in this case each and every member of B has a pre-image under F, so this is onto map. So what is the difference in between these two maps? In case of injective map, the member of B must have at most one pre-image or unique pre-image, and in case of onto map, each and every member of B must have a pre-image. So in this case, notice that the image set or range, that is f of A, this is equal to B. Now in general FA or image set, this is a subset of codomain set, but in case of surjective mapping, FA equal to B. So in this case, that is here, we can say that F maps from A onto B. Now if A mapping is not surjective but injective, not surjective but injective, in that case FA will be a proper subset of B. Okay, so FA will be a proper subset of B in case of when F is injective but not surjective. So in that case we can say that F maps from A into B. Okay, so next we come to our third type of mapping, that is bijective mapping. A mapping is called bijective. A mapping F maps from A into B. This is called bijective if F is both 1, 1 and on 2. So what happens? Combining these two, we can say that each and every member of B must have unique preimage if the mapping is bijective. So the figure will be like this. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, x1 goes to y1, x2 goes to y3 and x3 goes to y2. So each and every member of B has a preimage, that implies this mapping is onto, and each and every member and the member of B has at most one preimage, that is it has unique preimage. So this implies the mapping is injective. Therefore combining both, this mapping is bijective. Bijective map. Now notice that if F maps from A into B is bijective map, is a bijective map, then we can say that the number of elements in A is same as the number of elements in B, or we can say that A and B have same potency, or A is equipotent with B, or it can be expressed in this way: A is equipotent with B. Okay, so in case of bijection, this hold, and in our next video we shall discuss in details what is equipotency and what is the significance, all these terms in case of real analysis. So keep watching and thanks to everyone. And also I would like to mention that in our next video I discuss about how to identify a mapping quickly, that is injective or surjective, and relating the question. So keep watching and thanks to everyone.